Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of 21 days 21 tricks challenge. Yesterday we learned how to multiply even numbers by 5. Today let's learn the trick of multiplying odd numbers by 5. Here's the trick. Whenever you have to multiply any odd number by 5, don't multiply by 5. Instead, simply divide by 2. Now remember, because the number is odd, dividing by 2 will always leave the remainder 1. So the rule is divide by 2, and if the remainder is 1, just write 5 at the end. That's it. Now next question is 82,563 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. We get 41,281. We are left with remainder 1. So we add 5 at the end. And this is our answer. Follow Ganit Gurukul for such an amazing tricks which will help you in your Olympiads and in your exams.